Hello guys and welcome back. Well, we are back with another smartwatch, which is indeed the GT-R1. Now yes, we do have that iconic G-Tide packaging with easy life, easy fun being their slogan. But as we delve inside, wow, we have the, smartwatch itself, which is enclosed in this foam protective packaging. Underneath, we have a unique disc-shaped USB charging dock. To the right, okay, so we've got a spare blue swappable watch strap, as well as a detailed multi-language user manual. Very detailed. I know, I just said that. But one thing I've not said is that if you want to know how to sync this smartwatch to your mobile device, well, you can simply scan the QR code that's inside that user manual to enable the download of that companion GT Fit Pro app. Hey, that's off the Google Play Store, isn't it? Yeah, it certainly is, love. Looking closer at the G-Tide-R1, well, this smartwatch comes in a stealthy black version, with a grey version also being available too at the same price. The watch strap, just like the spare blue one that's provided, is a silicone band, which is water resistant, quick drying, and it does feel quite durable. It feels very light to wear on our wrist, that can be adjusted to fit either the smallest or largest of wrists. I mean, look at the size of it. You basically got to be Popeye to fit that, really. Yes, the black alloy zinc bezel has a slimmed down and sophisticated design. It's 11mm in thickness, with a 40mm face. Underneath, we have that smart sensor, which is situated central. Let's go ahead and take that protective sticker off. And just above it, we have 4 Poco charge pods. That's when that magnetic charge dock is connected. It will not only show you in a very detailed HD picture of the battery level, but it will also display the percentage level underneath, taking 1 hour 40 minutes to fully charge from flat. Releasing the charging dock, it will power on the watch automatically. Otherwise, you can simply press and hold the top power on-off button to the right side. It has a real jazzy startup pattern too, followed by a very vibrant 360 by 360 HD resolution LCD display. Now that display can be awoken by a simple press of that top button or by a simple swish of your wrist. But when we take a quick glance of that display, as you can see, the time is being displayed with the date, the battery percentage level, and a step counter in the top left hand corner. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to give that battery a little bit of a boost.
The next day.
Now before we carry on, we've first got to connect that GT Fit Pro app. First by simply turning on the location service on your mobile phone. After opening that GT Pro app, go into the device settings on that app and click Add Device. It should search for Bluetooth device list and simply select the watch from that list. Nope guys, don't go and connect the Bluetooth connection through your mobile phone. Always do it through the app directly. Otherwise, it will cause the Bluetooth on the watch to remain occupied and won't connect to the app. But yeah, the connection is as simple as that. It is compatible with iOS 9.0 and above, and anything upper than Android 4.4 and above. The watch face dial, if we first initially swipe down and click through the settings, from here we will now have access to enable the change of that main display from a choice of 5 different watch facings. Kind of like this one. Real nice. But you know what guys, you can actually add more watch facings through that GT Fit companion app, as well as being able to look a little swankier by, how should I say it, adding a custom picture face like this one? Yeah? So yeah, initially that feature's kind of cool. But if you wish to monitor all of your activities, such as cycling, swimming, exercising, as well as many more activities, well these functions and features will be available direct from the sub menu. That menu there can also be changed too, with a specific theme such as this very familiar Nest layout, or in fact a spinning dial design with brightness, contrast and torch modes to be had from those particular settings. If we take a closer look at that GT Fit app, all activities can be logged with specific details being recorded, including your heart rate, blood monitor, body temperature and stress record. So yes, you get very detailed health information based on your daily lifestyle, with other cool features such as a music player, daily weather reports based on your location, as well as an alarm and a phone call dialer So yes, you will be able to dial a number straight off that smartwatch screen with 100 contacts that can be imported. But wait, not only that, you can now receive message notifications, including app notifications too, which by the way will have to be first hand selected for most of your social media sites within the permission settings within the GT Fit app. So yeah, go ahead and check them off first. But truly guys, you have loads of fun with all of the interactive features with 24 sport modes, vibration alerts, breathing practices for people who have anxiety issues, as well as having a phone finder mode, which again must be activated via that GT Fit app first. You will be able to also locate the watch too, if you've lost it around your house, from that same app. We also have a stopwatch included, a calculator, a simple one-click sports shortcut button to the bottom right-hand side, with that top dial also being twist activated too, so yes, you can simply scroll around the menus by turning that dial back and forth, just like so. But for me, I personally did love testing this smartwatch this week. It's extremely comfortable to wear with confidence. I mean, it does have quite a durable feeling, with the battery lasting around about 18 days with basic use and 10 days with typical use. Not only that, it can be boosted quickly within 20 minutes. And this watch is also IP68 waterproof. So yeah, you will be able to use it within a shower, but don't be going ahead and diving in the sea with it, as salt water can cause corrosion. Now, I personally do love the design of this GT-R1. And I almost forgot guys, if you do charge this via that USB charging dock provided, please charge it within your home, as depending on which car you try to plug the USB dock into when charging the smartwatch within the car, it can cause issues with the smartwatch. That is, if your car may have an unstable voltage level. So yeah, the GT-R1, we are simply going to give it, well, we're going to give it a massive 9 out of 10. I think, to be honest, for £54, that's 60 in US dollars, I think that it perfectly fits within the price range and does a great job matching up to the bigger brands that, you know what, have a lot less features than this one today. Now, I have gone ahead and provided a handy little link in the video description down below for you guys to check this watch out for yourself. I will note I'm not affiliated in any type of way, so you're free to check that link out should you wish. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. I very much appreciate it. Not only that, quickly hit that subscribe button. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option too, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, we honestly have loved doing this tech review on this smartwatch this week, and we hope to be doing some more unique tech finds in the next few days, so stay tuned for our new videos. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, and well, thank you ever so much for watching. Yes. Peace! Okay, now that did it.
Give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000.